Hello, today we're grilling corn and the first step is shucking the corn. 6 ears of corn ready to go. Okay, next step is to grill the corn. Okay, now while the corn is finishing grilling, I'm gonna put together the quick sauce that we brush on once the corn is done. I've got melted butter, olive oil, lime juice, sambal oelek, that's the spicy part, and scallions. Okay, I've got a fork just to stir this all together, but before I do that, the last ingredient, maybe the defining ingredient, is a tablespoon of fish sauce. An umami-packed ingredient that brings something different to your usual grilled corn. Okay, the corn is finished, so I'm going to take it from the grill just to a platter. Put some wedges of lime out so that everybody can squeeze more lime on. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat.